In this lesson, we are going to talk about memo writing. A memorandum, more commonly known as a memo, is a short message or record used for internal communication within a business or an organization. A memo is normally used for communicating policies, procedures, or related official business within an organization. It is often written from a one-to-all perspective, like mass communication, broadcasting a message to a larger audience rather than a one-on-one interpersonal communication. It may also be used to update a team on activities for a given project or to inform a specific group within a company of an event, action, or an observance. We really need to identify the purpose of writing a memo. In practice, memos answer questions and give information. Memos can be used to quickly communicate with a wide audience something that is brief but important, such as procedural changes, price increases, policy additions, meeting schedules, some reminders for the teams, or summaries of agreements of terms. Another very important thing that we need to keep in mind is the intent and audience for writing a memo. What is your memo trying to accomplish? Are you trying to inform people of a change? Are you making an announcement? Are you trying to answer a question? Though this step may seem simple, it will be really helpful in the long term if you clearly identify what purpose your memo is serving. The next thing is that you determine your audience. Whom do you want to have read your memo? Your boss? The whole office? Or a specific department? Knowing your audience will help you focus on making your memo very helpful and clear for your readers by influencing the words you choose and the tone you use. If we look at the format of a memo, it can be divided into two sections. Number one is the heading, and after heading comes the main body. The heading is further divided into four components. Your memo's heading, quite simply, is information about the main text of the memo. It signals to the reader what the document is, to whom it is addressed, whom it is from, and the date it was sent. You can see example of a heading on your screen. It includes the components to, from, date of writing the memo, and a subject. When you're writing your subject, try to give as much information in as few words as possible. Think of it as you're writing a headline for a breaking news story. Give the reader a quick and clear indication of the text that will follow. The second component of memo is the main body. When working on the main text, your focus should be simplicity and clarity. You want your readers to quickly and easily understand what you're saying. In your first sentence, restate the subject of the memo in a sentence form. The opening paragraph should flow easily from the subject line. Like a thesis statement, it should clearly state the intent of the memo while setting the tone for the rest of the memo. Overall, the first paragraph should explain exactly what your memo is going to be about. Each of the following paragraphs should build on that information, going into more and more detail.